Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be organizing. I have four spots in my house that need some major love and attention. One is this pantry. You have like a tall pantry right here in the kitchen and it's just a mess. Like especially the top shelf is where I keep like, I've always just kept in there since the kids were little, like treats and candies and things like that. Like they're very good. They don't need to be up high, but that's just where we keep them. And from stocking stuff and Christmas and all these different things, there is just so much shoved in there. It's out of control. So that's a mess. There's like some old chips and different things we were trying that we never ended up using, and they just kind of got shoved in the back. All that stuff needs to be thrown out and gone through. That's the first place. Second place is underneath my bathroom sink. Hot mess. Hot mess. Third place kind of goes hand in hand with the fourth place is the kids' bedrooms need like a mom tidy and like organize their new toys. And then we're gonna organize the downstairs. I had Kevin take like a toy box down from the attic that we weren't using and put that downstairs. We're gonna rearrange downstairs and get that all organized, like the Barbie situation, the LOL situation, the Roblox guys situation. There's just a lot happening. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you need some motivation, you need to get some like organizing ideas. I do lots of videos like this on my channel, but I was thinking of really mainly focusing on my meal prep, my what I eat in a day videos, and maybe like day in the life videos, since that's like after I organize these few things. I mean, everything can always be organized, but I was thinking of mainly focusing on those two things since that is what I'm working on right now. I'm trying to lose 25 pounds and, you know, kind of focusing on my protein, my calories, my water intake, all that fun stuff. Speaking of which, you know, I would like to say I've had mine for a year now. So I had it before it was cool. Or before it was basic. So I think I am grandfathered in the unbasic department. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. If you like the organizing videos, you want me to just kind of add them into like day in the life videos so I can still show you what I'm eating, all of that kind of stuff. Let me know what you're interested in. But today we're focusing on organizing. So make sure you guys are subscribed and we're gonna start here in the kitchen. All right, so this is what we are dealing with. Told you. Hot mess. Specifically, like I can't even pull this out because things will just fall over. So we're gonna take everything out, wipe everything down, organize it. I'm sure there's things to get rid of, so let's start with this mess.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. Yeah.
right, look how much better this is. I can actually open the cabinet, and this is a ridiculous amount of like candy and treats and nuts and salad toppings and all the stuff. But we don't go through a lot of it, so I'll keep it for a little bit. And I should honestly put these yogurt covered pretzels and the chocolate covered pretzels down here for the kids for their snacks, because they just add that to it. That's not like a big treat in my opinion. They're yogurt covered pretzels and chocolate covered pretzels. Like I said, we just add them to, like, they love to make like a homemade Lunchable and stuff like that. So all our snacks, look at all that stuff. And then here is breakfast. So cereal, bread, English muffins, things for tacos, stuff like that. And then chips and pirate booty are down here. So much better now to clean up this mess. All right, now headed to the bathroom. So I have like good organizing stuff under here, but it's just become unorganized. So this should only take me literally maybe 10 minutes. So that, and then I'm just gonna show you what we're gonna do next. So Layton's, I can't with the, I clean this and she sets it up and changes it, it's fine. But this is all the stuff that needs to go downstairs, all her LOL stuff. She's got like Gabby's dollhouse puzzles, all of that stuff. And that is gonna go downstairs, I think, as well. It is her mini brands, I think it's called. And then all her American Girl doll stuff and all the Squishamallows and all that other stuff. I'm just realizing how she's like holding this stuff up with like her yoga blocks and all this other stuff. She's so funny. And then Austin just has some other things. Oh, he did a great job making his bed today. It looks like he's still under here. He has this like pillow thing that he loves to sleep on. But he just has some stuff up here. Cars. He's gonna build this robot. He has all his Roblox guys and all of that. And mainly it's latent stuff that needs to be managed. But some of his stuff we will put down there as well. So I'm gonna show you downstairs. Look at that. It's the bag of trash and all of the recycling from cleaning out. Can we talk about this sweatshirt and how cute it is? Literally an Amazon dupe for the Lululemon one. I'm obsessed. Anyway, then down here, I need to kind of change some things around and organize it, but that is full of Barbie stuff. This is the toy box that I was talking about. And then they have over here, and then the dollhouse, the Barbie dream house is over here. So that's the project for this afternoon. Austin got a PlayStation for Christmas, so we need to like organize that. That's Kevin's job when he gets back. He's out running errands for us right now, so he's gonna deal with that and I'll deal with the rest, and obviously he'll help. But I want to kind of straighten up the workout area too and just kind of get this all cleaned up down here as well. So that is the plan. All right, 7 minutes it took, and it is so much better. I threw away a few things, nothing crazy. Just reorganized. I had just kind of stuff everywhere in here. So this is all like extra makeup and products and all different just extra things that I have. All my makeup, extra hair stuff back there, hairspray, dry shampoo, hair oil, all that stuff. And then my tools back there. So another project done. All right, instead of doing like, I just needed to basically bring stuff down from the kids' room. So I wrote all that down, piled it here, and now I'm going to organize it.
I think I'm arsenic, but you don't mind that I'm toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah, you know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah, you know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us.
All right, so this is all cleaned out and cleaned up. It wasn't too bad. I need to take a magic eraser and clean the table, but all the Legos are picked up, all the trash and art pieces and all the extra stuff is taken care of. And over here, we just have their toy box and the little stuff next to it. Over here, there's like something loud happening outside. Layton's going to, well, her and I will do this today and we'll organize everything, but I just put the bin behind it. But it is 12:30 and they are coming home from school in about an hour. Kevin and I want to hang out, have some lunch, and hang out. So her and I will take care of organizing all of this later. All right, and that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked this organize with me. Just kind of organize things, got everything back in order. I feel much better now. It's always needed after the holidays and Christmas and all the presents and all of that stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.